mga sikretong galawan kaya? Yan ang tanong. Ngayong bahagyang bumaba ang bilang ng mga namamataang Chinese vessel sa West Philippine Sea ayon sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Pero hindi raw ito oras para magpakakampante. Lalo't mas pinaiigting na raw ng Pilipinas ang kanilang puwersa. Si Kim Salinas may balitang A to Z.
On our monitoring, there has been a drastic reduction of the PLA Navy, Chinese Coast Guard, and the Maritime Militia in the areas we monitor in the West Philippine Sea.
Ito ang napansin ng kasundaluhan sa kanilang patuloy na pagmamatsyag at pagbabantay sa West Philippine Sea. Kung dati-rati raw, nasa higit 100 ang bilang ng mga Chinese vessel na namamataan sa karagatan, ngayon,
we reported a while ago that from around 100 plus last week, we have seen a gradual decrease this week to 70 plus.
Pero hindi raw ito oras para magpakakampante.
We will be relentless in performing our duty of patrolling our seas. No? So hindi po natin tinitigilan yan at any one time. We have our naval patrols as well as our maritime patrols in the Navy and our aerial patrols from the Air Force.
Mas pinaigting pa nga ngayong taon ang kanilang pagpapatrol at pagmamatsyag.
Yun pong resources natin that used to be pooled for internal security, napupool na po natin siya ngayon and nag-augment na rin siya sa territorial defense. So we have more vessels that we can commit for patrols.
We will continue ensuring the integrity of our territory and the protection of our sovereignty.
Samantala, may panawagan naman si Vatican Secretary for Relations Archbishop Paul Gallagher na kasalukuyang nasa Pilipinas para sa kanyang 5-day visit kasabay ng annual celebration ng Pope's Day.
We in such circumstances, such situations of conflict, whatever they are, first of all, that every effort must be made that any differences, conflicts are resolved peacefully. We would encourage parties in conflict to abide by international law and to pursue those that as a way of resolving difficulties and problems with the best interests of all involved.
Para sa Balitang A to Z, Kim Salinas.